Hey, fellow Samsung users, thinking of switching to a new Moto phone, like the Edge 50 Pro? Don't worry about transferring your data. In this video, we'll show you 6 easy ways to do it smoothly. Let's dive in. Way 1. How to transfer data from Samsung to Motorola via transfer for mobile no limits. Getting a new Motorola phone is exciting, but transferring data can be tricky. For a smooth, error-free process, use a reliable tool like Mobikin Transfer for mobile. Step 1. Begin by installing this data transfer tool for Samsung to Motorola on your computer. Subsequently, connect both your Motorola and Samsung devices to the computer using USB cables. Step 2. Follow the prompts to connect both devices. Once connected, click Flip to set Samsung as the source and Motorola as the destination. Step 3. Select the files to transfer, for example, contacts, and click Start Copy to begin. Way 2. How to transfer from Samsung to Motorola with Assistant for Android. The next tool, Mobikin Assistant for Android, simplifies data transfer through backup and restore. It allows moving data from Motorola to PC or Mac and restoring it to Samsung. Step 2. On the screen, all data types from Samsung will be displayed. Select the types of files you need, click Browse to specify a location on your computer, and click Backup to save them to the designated folder. Once completed, disconnect the device. Step 3. Connect Motorola to the computer using a USB cord. After detection, click Restore from Super Toolkit, and you'll see all the backup files in the window. Finally, choose the desired items, and click Restore again to transfer them to your Moto device. Way 3. How to transfer data from Galaxy to Motorola via Motorola Migrate. Motorola Migrate has recently been retired. Still, it facilitates the transfer of media files exclusively from Android 2.2 to Motorola devices with Android 6.0. However, it couldn't handle data such as contacts, text messages. Way 4. How to transfer data from Samsung to Motorola via Google account. On Samsung, Settings Accounts Google Sync Data. On Motorola, Settings Users and Accounts Google Add Account. Login with same ID, syncs data. Way 5. How do I transfer data from Samsung to Motorola by Bluetooth? Turn on Bluetooth, Motorola. Swipe down notification bar, Samsung. Go to Connections Bluetooth. Pair Motorola. Enter PIN if needed. Share files via Bluetooth to Motorola. Way 6. How to transfer data from Samsung to Motorola phone using Dropbox. Install Dropbox on Motorola. Log in or sign up for Dropbox. Tap plus Upload Files and Backup Files. Upload to server and click Open. Open Dropbox on Motorola. Log in with same account. Download data to Motorola. Way 7. How to transfer data from Samsung to Motorola free via SD card. Insert SD card into Samsung. Open File Manager, select Files, and move or copy to SD card. Safely unmount SD card via Settings Storage. Remove and insert SD card into Motorola. Open File Manager on Motorola to access files.